Inside row 2 in the 70X is Tyler Deshane. Outside of Tyler Deshane in the 2 car is John Triggs. Inside row 3 of that 5 car, that is the 5E of Eric Pearson. Outside Eric Pearson in the 78 is Rich Schinderling, the points leader. And then in the 51, currently holds a track record, that is Rowdy Kyle Rush. Outside of him, the 63 of Cassidy Frisch. We're going racing this time around. Here they come, green flag, and we're racing. So Braden and
And it's going to be the 25 of Sean Bauer out front with a little bit of battle of the 28 car of Garrett Braden. 28 machine has been running pretty good the last couple of weeks. First-year runner.
So as we watch them going around, nobody wants to hit what is the time they don't want to hit?
16.400.
Nothing faster.
17s. Nope, the closest is Sean Bauer at a 16.966. He broke out last week, that 25 machine, and the 51 of Kyle Rush.
Is this going to be Bauer leading it around this time, followed by Garrett Braden, then Triggs, then Schinderling, followed by Cassidy Frisch, Rowdy Kyle Rush, Eric Pearson, and Tyler Deshane.
Watching Sean Bauer's time, 16.560. It's getting close. Still hanging in there, 16.779, the 25 machine of Sean Bauer. Garrett Braden in the 28 second. John Triggs in the 2 machine in third. Rich Schinderling in that 78. Rounding off your top 4. Check that. Nick Schneider is driving in that 63 machine. As the 25 of Sean Bauer and the 28 of Garrett Braden in a nice 1-2 battle for first.
So Wild Child definitely wanting to race for points here, as this 26 machine had trouble earlier in his fast dash there.
And that 5E car just ran a 16.522 of Eric Pearson, but he's currently stuck behind a few cars right there. Sean Bauer in that 25, still trying to hold off that 28. Garrett Braden. Those two battle along the back stretch and go into turns 3 and 4. As soon as they check the line, they'll have 1 to go. Still Bauer in the 25 out front.
Bauer may come up with the nickname of Breakout Bauer, but hopefully he definitely is not going to break out this race here. Coming around for the last lap. Let's see what's going to happen. Is it going to be Braden? Is it going to be Bauer? It is going to be Bauer. Yeah, last time Sean Bauer raced here in the feature, I believe he broke out as well. So glad to see him not break out this time around.
16.599 official times. He had a
Sean Bauer currently sitting 4th place in the Bandit series with 363 points. Only 3 points behind 3rd place, which was Nick Schneider driving that 63 car once again. So Nick Schneider, the Wild Child, normally drives the black and yellow number 26, is now in the 63, as his 26 machine will not be able to continue here tonight.
And the Loves Park Auto, the Roscoe, Illinois native, in a 1997 Honda Prelude. This is his 3rd heat victory of the year. Let's give it up for the number 25 car of Sean Bauer.
Sean's given us a couple of different nicknames, but I think we like the nickname Breakout.